As of 6 a.m, paramedics, including patient transport services and ambulances, have completely stopped services over the next 24 hours, all part of this industrial action. Now, what this looks like is, for today, patients that are discharged from hospitals like this one behind me, requiring that government transport service that takes them either to their homes or their residential aged care facilities, will not be in operation at all. It comes after the health union has continued to call on the state government to do more to scrap the public sector wage cap and to negotiate a fair pay rise. Now, they say that over the last few months, the Minns government, the newly elected Minns government, has not come to the negotiating table in a timely manner, and that comes as despite it being a key election promise that was made by the Labor government ahead of the state election back in March. So there are some major concerns. We have heard from the Health Minister, Ryan Park, though. He says that the government has only just taken over power and they're still working out the finer details of this offer. Chris Minns, the Premier, however, has yet to put a timeline on when they will scrap the public wage cap. We have heard from the health union, who says, including the health union secretary, Gerard Hayes, who says that many of his members have come off the back of a 3-year pandemic, and they say that they're very tired. There's been a cost of living crisis that many people across the country have felt, and it really has bit many of those people that are in the health sector and in the health union as well. So there are major concerns there. Now, currently in the state of New South Wales, there are 70 industrial agreements in place that cover nearly 200,000 public sector workers, and all those agreements are due to expire by the end of next month. So major issues there as well. Now, today's industrial action will not affect those patients that are being discharged from dialysis or for end-of-life care that they can receive at home. So those patients will not be affected. But the health union has estimated that the industrial action will affect roughly 1,000 people across the state, and that's based off a previous smaller industrial action that's been held across regional areas in particular. There are warnings, however, Lisa, that much more industrial action is planned for the future if the state government doesn't come to the negotiating table.